trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for niggas so cheap. And your flex OD, and sex OD, you got it, girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my winter natural hair regimen. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely stick around if you want to see my hair routine and what I do. And before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stick around and look at our other videos after this one. But yeah, let's get right into this natural hair regimen. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I moisturize my hair and refresh it during the winter right now. It's been a while since I moisturized my hair. Because it's winter, like obviously my hair gets drier quicker. So my ends are like pretty dry now. So it's important to keep your hair moisturized. And this is basically my routine during the winter and my hair routine. But yeah, I have my hair in 2 braids. I'm just going to take them down first. My hair smells so good. Okay, so this is my hair. Yeah, because it's winter, it's getting drier quicker. So I try to do this at least like once a week right now, and that's just because I'm not going anywhere, you know, like we're on lockdown, so I'm staying at home pretty much all day every day. But if I would be going out, I would do this at least like twice a week. 3 would be ideal, to be honest. But the thing is, it's really good to like not touch your hair too much and not do too much to your hair. Too much manipulation all the time can like not be too good. So I would like say twice a week, once a week at least, just to refresh your hair and just, you know, put back some moisture in it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my spray bottle and spray the section down. I like working on wet/damp hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. And water is always like basically your hair's best friend, so I would always like say go with water before you style your hair. Definitely go in with water, just because it helps bring back moisture. It helps, like, it makes the styling process like way easier, trust me. Okay, so, and because I'm working on, well, most of the time I like working with 2 sections, but because I'm just refreshing, I'm just going to keep 2 sections. It just saves so much time. But now that my hair is pretty much damp, I'm gonna go in. I usually go in with my leave-in conditioner, and I use the Jamaican black castor oil from Shea Moisture, and this is the Strength and Restore Smoothie or leave-in conditioner. So I like using this a lot, but there's not that much left, so yeah, I'm gonna use as much as I can. And I like focusing this on the ends because there's not that much left, obviously. And then I'm gonna go in with my curl enhancing smoothie, still by Shea Moisture. These products have worked for me over the past few years, so that's just what I stick to. And I focus it on the ends first, and then I'm gonna make my way up and into the section, so don't worry. Okay, so make sure you open up your section a little bit and just add some more in there to make sure everything is coated as best as possible. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and seal everything with my Jamaican black castor oil. And yeah, I'm gonna focus this on the ends and my edges. So I take just a little bit to put that on the ends. I think I'm going to go back to using extra virgin olive oil just to like seal my hair, because I prefer that better. It weighed down my hair like way less, but I like this one for my edges, so I'll probably just use a combination. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my fingertips, and then I'll put that all around the edges and just like kind of massage that in. And I do this because like I do so many styles where I do my edges now, so it's really important, because obviously I don't want them to like just fall off. And don't forget the back. Okay, so that's good for now. We're gonna move on to the next section, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just move this a little bit. Then I'm gonna twist it and just pin it so that it's out of the way for now. And yeah, let's work on the other section. So this one is like dry, and we'll do the same thing. So I'm gonna go in with my leave-in, and I'm literally scraping it because there's like no more left. Now with the black castor oil, and this is just to seal in the moisture. I always put oil last just to help seal in the moisture and keep it locked in. Yeah, that's just what I do, and it works for me, honestly. It's basically called the LC method. So you put a leave-in conditioner, then an LCO, sorry, leave-in conditioner, then a cream, and then the oil just to seal everything in. And yeah, that works really, really good for me. Okay, so this is basically what my hair looks like, and I'm really glad I did this now, because then I can go ahead and you can just go and style your hair for the day, do whatever you need to do, and you're gonna be good, you know? So this is basically what I do for my hair regimen. So I'm gonna go ahead and go style my hair, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is basically the end of the video. I went ahead and styled my hair and, you know, did everything. I will have a tutorial on this for sure coming really, really soon. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my natural hair routine during the winter time. And I hope it's helpful to some of you guys. Definitely share this video with whoever you think it might help. And of course, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! She be mine on level. She did on level. She be mine on level. Say, she did on level.